What's the meaning of charter? Charter. Charter.
Charter. Charter. Charter refers to a written grant of authority or rights, typically issued by a government or organization. It can also refer to a document outlining the principles, goals, and operations of an institution such as a corporation or university. The term is often used in the context of air travel to refer to a flight that is booked for a specific group or purpose. In general, a charter establishes the rules by which an entity operates and defines its boundaries and scope of activity.